Welcome to the Security Services Lab. In this lab, you'll configure a basic security policy and apply it to a CPE device. In this lab, you'll configure the device directly instead of using templates. This allows you to make changes directly on the device that take place immediately without going through the template commit process. Security devices analyze transit traffic to determine whether it should be allowed to pass through the device based on security rules. A default security policy is automatically created when a device template or configuration is built using workflows. You'll add a new set of rules to the default policy that matches the parameters defined in the lab guide. Once the rules are added, you'll rearrange the order of the rules so that the default allow rules don't override the rules you just created. Remember that traffic is processed through the rules in the order the rules are listed, and once a rule takes an action on traffic or a session, the other rules aren't evaluated. Once the rules are in place, you'll explore where the security statistics are monitored through the Monitor tab. The statistics in your environment may differ from the examples in the lab guide. Because this is a lab environment and not a live production environment, the statistics gathered aren't very usable. However, this lab will show you where to view the statistics and what statistics are available to monitor your security policies.